Welcome, today I'm showing you how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your Motorola Moto G42. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down and find this button in this block, and then press and hold like this and drag to top for add and click back for save. Now we add screen record button, so tap, press and hold now on this button and we open our screen record settings, and on the bottom we got record touch points. So this position of switcher, it's turn off this option, and this like blue or green, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.